Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will discuss about SciPy and how to install SciPy in your Jupyter Notebook and Conda environment. Okay. So, SciPy is a scientific library for Python, and it's ultimately an open source library, and it is used for mathematical, science, and engineering, and also analytical purpose. The SciPy library depends on NumPy, which provides convenient and fast n-dimensional array manipulations. And the main reasons for building this SciPy library is that it should work with NumPy array. Okay, so that's the reason about the SciPy, and let's go for installation of SciPy. If you're using the Jupyter Notebook, so you will command like exclamatory symbol pip install SciPy. Okay. After that, you will execute this command. I have already installed it, so it should show the requirement satisfied. So yeah, all the requirement already satisfied for me. And if you're using the command prompt or command prompt, then you can, I just show, just write down only pip install SciPy, then press enter, and you can also install the SciPy by using this command prompt. So that's the way you can install SciPy in your environment. It's also work with Linux system. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.